Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did 3 questions of past papers from the topic differentiation. Today we will do 2 more questions from past papers. So let's have a look. Question number 4. The normal to the curve y equals to x cube plus 6x square minus 34x plus 44 at the point P 28 2,8 cuts the x-axis at A and the y-axis at B. Show that the midpoint of the line AB lies on the line for y equals to x plus 9. 8 marks question. This question came in October-November 2012, paper 2-1. Very easy and very important. First, we have to find the equation of normal. Y equals to x cube plus 6 x squared negative 34x plus 44. In order to find the equation of normal, we must find the derivative of the curve, that is the gradient of tangent. X cube derivative is 3x square plus 6x square derivative is 12x. Negative 34x derivative is 34. So dy by dx assign mt. M stands for gradient and t stands for tangent. So gradient of tangent is 3x square plus 12x negative 34. Now satisfy this gradient by the value of x which is given in the coordinate p, that is x is equals to 2. So 3x square 2 square plus 12 into 2 negative 34. 2 square 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 negative 34. 24 plus 12 36 negative 34 is 2. So gradient of tangent is 2. If we have gradient of tangent, then we can easily find the gradient of normal, which is the negative reciprocal of the gradient of tangent. So if the gradient of tangent is 2, then the gradient of normal must be negative 1 upon 2. The coordinate is given P 2,8. Hence our equation of normal is y minus y1 is equals to mn time x minus x1. Equation of normal or equation of tangent means the equation of a straight line. So y minus 8 is equals to mn 1 upon 2 x minus x1, which is 2. So this is the equation of normal. Now according to question, this normal cuts x-axis at point A and y-axis at point B. Very easy. Find the coordinate of A. X-axis coordinate is x0. So put y0, y0 minus 8 is equals to minus 1 upon 2 x minus 2. Minus cancel by minus 2 8 is 16 and this negative 2 becomes positive 2 on this side. So x is equals to 18. Hence the coordinates of x are 18, 0. Now find the coordinates of B. So B cuts y-axis. It means coordinate of B must be 0, y. So y minus 8 is equals to minus 1 upon 2 x. X is 0, 0 minus 2. So y minus 8 is equals to negative 1 upon 2. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Y minus 8, 2 cancel to 2, minus minus plus 1, and y is equals to 1 plus 8, y is equals to 9. and the coordinates of B are 0, 9. Now we have coordinates of A and coordinates of B. Coordinates of A are 18, 0. Coordinates of B are 0, 9. Now, what is the question? The question is, show that the midpoint of the line AB lies on the line 4y is equals to x plus 9. 4y is equals to x plus 9. So midpoint means midpoint of AB, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 18 upon 2 is 9 and 0 plus 9 upon 2 is 9 upon 2. Now we have to show that this midpoint 9, 9 upon 2 must satisfy this equation of a straight line. So we have to put the value of x and y in this equation. 4 multiplied by y. Y is 9 upon 2. X is 9 plus 9. 2 to the 4, 9 to the 18 is equals to 9 plus 9 is 18. So this is our answer. We have shown that this midpoint satisfy the given straight line. See the question again. Show that the midpoint of the line lies on the line. Lies on the line means satisfy. How to satisfy? Put the value of midpoint x in the line and midpoint of the value of y in the line and to get the answer. So first find the equation of gradient of tangent, then gradient of normal, then equation of normal, then find the coordinates of A and B, then find the midpoint of AB and then satisfy. Very easy question and very important according to examination point of view. This question came in October, November 2012, paper 2-1. Move to next question. Question number 5. The total surface area A centimeter of a solid cylinder means closed with both ends, with radius r centimeter and height 5 centimeter is given by A equals to 2 pi r square plus 10 pi r. Given that r is increasing at a rate of 0.2 upon pi centimeters per second, find the rate of increase of A when r is 6. This question came in October, November 2012, paper 2-2. Very easy question. First, write the formula which is given in the question. The total surface area 2 pi r square, plus 10 pi r. Given that r is increasing at a rate of 0.2 upon pi, so rate means dr by dt. 0.2 upon pi centimeter second minus 1. Find the rate of increase of A. So we have to find dA by dt. Question mark. Very easy. First find dA by dr. dA by dr, derivative of A with respect to r. So 2 pi r square derivative is 4 pi r plus 10 pi r derivative is 10 pi. Satisfy this value by r equals to 6. 4 pi into 6 plus 10 pi. 4 6 are 24 pi plus 10 pi is plus 10 pi is equals to 34 pi. 24 pi plus 10 pi is 34 pi. Now write the formula in order to get dA by dt. So dA by dr is equals to dA by dt multiplied by dt by dr, because when you cancel dt by dt you will get dA by dr. So what is the value of dA dr? We obtained 34 pi. dA by dt we have to find dt by dr. In this question, dr by dt given is 0.2 upon pi, so it should be pi upon 0.2. Pi upon 0.2. So pi cancel by pi and 34 must multiply by 0.2 dA by dt. So dA by dt 34 multiplied by 0.2 is 6.8. Area means centimeter square, second inverse. So this is the rate of change of area with respect to time. Rate means something upon time. So our final answer is 6.8 centimeter square per second. This is our today's class where we did 2 questions from past papers. There are so many questions are left. I promise you I will do all remaining questions in coming lectures. And also I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Please, this is my request. I am doing too much hard work for you. So at least I have a right to ask you to subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my video, my channel, as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.